In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable shared link previews in Google Drive. This is a very handy skill to have if you're looking to keep your files private or just control who sees what in your shared documents and folders. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you need to go to your Google Drive. Open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive sign-in page. Make sure you're logged into your Google account by entering your credentials if prompted. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your Google Drive, looking at your collection of files and folders. Now you need to select the folder that you want to manage. Look for the specific folder in your drive that you intend to disable the shared link previews for. Once you find it, just click on it. This part is crucial because the changes you're going to make will apply to this particular folder, so be sure you've got the right one. Next, you'll notice there are 3 vertical dots located toward the top right of your screen. This is often referred to as the More button. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with various options related to the folder you've selected. From the drop-down, you'll want to select the Share option. This will open up a new dialog box where you can adjust the sharing settings for the folder you've chosen. It's within this dialog box that you'll be able to control who can see the shared link previews. Once the sharing settings dialog box is open, direct your attention to the General Access section. This is where you'll manage how the shared link behaves and who gets to see the previews. You're going to want to make some changes here, so go ahead and click on General Access. Within the access settings, look for an option labeled Restricted. Selecting Restricted is key here because it means only specific people you invite can access the folder, and it disables the shared link previews for others. Click on Restricted to ensure that the previews are indeed turned off. Finally, once you've set the access to Restricted, you need to confirm your changes. Click on Done, which is usually located at the bottom of the dialog box. This confirms your settings and applies the changes. And that's it. You have successfully disabled shared link previews for your selected folder in Google Drive. This process helps maintain your file's privacy and ensures that only the people you want to have access really do. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from learning how to manage